hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the Decorate With Me video. I am so happy to finally share this video with you guys. It's the first time we decorate the house. I am so happy with the way it turned out. It's very simple. It's not too busy. It's just like little things here and there, but honestly just the excitement of putting everything up for the first time is really exciting. It took us a little bit because we didn't get everything that we needed right away, honestly, because it's hard to gauge with everything that you really need, especially in a house that you haven't really lived in for that long. So we had to get a lot of stuff kind of like not last minute, but like we would come home and we would realize we needed more stuff, or we bought too much of one thing. So it took us a minute to actually like consolidate everything. So everything is done. I love the way it came out. Hope you guys enjoy watching us put up the trees, because we have 2 trees, which is crazy. I never thought I would have 2 trees in one house, in one living space. It's crazy. I always watch those videos and it's like, oh my goodness, 2 trees, like that's a little bit extra, but why not? So hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe. It would help me out a lot if you enjoy watching the video. Enjoy. Important to note that we don't have an extra long ladder, so it should be interesting how we end up decorating it. Stay tuned. Oh my god! That was me being dramatic because the tree is actually pretty big in real life. It's 5 feet in diameter. So even though you can't really tell in this frame for whatever reason, it's pretty big. Fluff, and fluff some more. We had to fluff so much for this tree. There's Layla saying hi. But we had to fluff a lot. I believe there was 5 sections to this. Okay, so this is how it's going so far. We have only 2 layers, right, mommy?
Yeah.
Only 2 layers. So I think for the other 3 layers of tree, we're gonna have to fluff it before we put it on, because there's no way that we're gonna be able to fluff it while it's on. So we still have 2 to go. Let me back up so y'all can see. Got, that's still pretty high. And then we got another one, and then another one. Oh my god, that is a big old tree. Oh my goodness.
That is a 12-foot
Tree.
Wow.
It looks pretty right there too.
Yeah, it does.
Trying to figure out if it looks better by the stairs or in the corner. I like it in the corner.
Oh, shit.
How you gonna get out? It's the perfect corner for it. What are you doing? So here is day 2 of decorating. It took us a while, to be honest. We started November 17th. It took us about 2 weeks to get everything sorted, only because we had to go back to the store and get some stuff. So in this video you will see a few different outfits, but it's okay. So now, because we don't have a ladder, we have to move the tree by the stairs. So we had to get creative. It was honestly really hard because the staircase wasn't too, forgiving as to like how far you can reach out. At least I couldn't, because I'm not the tallest person, but we made it work. So we have these flower wall things in, I can't read it, the fresh balsam, so that way it smells like Christmas. And then we got the one wick, because those were on sale, and the same in the fresh balsam. And then we're gonna light this little tree. So here's the tree almost done. I love the way it came out so far. I love the way the burlap looks with the red and the white. So this garland is what actually made everything go so slow. We actually did not get enough. We had 4 and we ended up trying to find the same one, which we got lucky and found it, but we almost did not find it. So it was because of this. So we decided to put up the tree that we had in our apartment in the 2nd floor, and I honestly loved the way it turned out. We ended up using the leftover ornaments from the big tree and putting it on this one, because our old ornaments were all glass and I totally forgot. So because of Layla, we had to make it work. I ended up making all of the bows for the staircase and the bows on top of the trees, because we could not find any stars that would fit the whole aesthetic of the tree. So this is just me showing you how I made one of them. thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching us decorate the house for the first time. It was honestly surreal to decorate a brand new house. Even though it was very simple, it still, was very special. So thank you so much for watching.